Hi, my name is Ryan.DeAngelis here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you a really cool 26-foot trailer, really nice floor plan, very open inside, and it's not very heavy, but it's still very well built. It's a 261 RK 2019 Sundance by Heartland. So that means it's got tongue and groove plywood in the floor, not particle board. Most of the stuff you're probably looking at online and stuff out there, if they're not telling you what's in the floor, it's probably OSB particle board. You got an LED light strip that goes all the way across in there with a switch that flips it on and off so you can kind of see what you're doing there. There's also an LED light strip in the awning. Now you got a nice big power awning, 2 doors. Now your back door, your main entrance here, is actually about 2 inches wider than most trailers. I can barely even get it open. It makes a pretty big difference when you look at it compared to most other stuff. Right when you walk in, you got a nice kitchen area positioned here with a lot of counter space right in the back. You got a stainless steel sink with a cover on it too. So between that and the cover that's on your stove there, you got a really big prep station back here. You've got a couch with cup holders, USB ports, so you can charge your phone right off your batteries and make that into an extra bed. And then you have an additional dinette here. It's actually a good size with storage underneath them. That makes into a second bed. Then you have a nice 39-inch flat screen TV, DVD, Bluetooth, AM/FM DVD. Then you have this entire station back here, which is pretty slick. Ton of storage, extra pantry or a closet or whatever you want to use it for. You have shelves, you have a rod on this side. You've got like a little table with some more storage here. Then you got a nice bathroom with a glass shower. You got a little counter space there, big medicine cabinet, and there's a big giant storage compartment in there too. This is one of my units that carry more storage than almost anything else, even a lot bigger than this. You've got your 2 tall closets on the side, LED reading lamps on each side, then you got USB ports. On this back side here you have a spot for a TV. There's a big door that closes this room off, not curtains or anything like that, and a second door that leads to the outside. Follow me real quick, I'll show you some more stuff on the outside. Full-size spare on the back. You got your backup camera prep. If you ever want to add a camera to this, you don't have to drill a bunch of holes in it, run a bunch of electrical wires through. It's already set up. You just pop the camera in. You got your entire station all in one spot here for your water connection, your power connection, cable, satellite, and then your spray port. These come with a quick connect that hooks up right here. That's got a spray nozzle with a garden hose on it. You can actually get a little bit of pressure. You can wash your shoes off, wash the side of the coach, spray down the pets, the kids, whatever you got. Then up front, we got your propane bottles that we fill for you on anything we sell. If it's got a slide like this does, we mount 2 brand new interstate batteries up front on everything we sell. Power tongue jack up in the front, and this makes a big difference too. This big fiberglass end cap up on the front. All your bulbs and stuff that can sometimes collect moisture, and then you'll get delamination up. You ever seen some of the older ones out there that have bubbles up in the front? That's not going to happen on the front of this here, even if you get a little moisture in any of those bulbs there, because you need to see how that works. But you don't have the bubbles like some of the other stuff does, and that makes a big difference down the road, and it looks better. So there's a whole bunch of other stuff on here I'd like to show you. The weight's right, the length isn't very long, and you can get in pretty much any park out there. And I'd like to show you some more stuff. If you have any questions, give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001, and my name is Ryan.DeAngelis here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter from Junction City. Talk to you soon.